how to game share on the Nintendo Switch. So what you want to do, just get your Switch and go into the settings here, so system settings. Once you click on system settings, we want to navigate to users. So here we're going to user and choose the primary user which you will game share from. It's going to be this one for me. Now we want to scroll down until you see Nintendo eShop settings. Click on Nintendo eShop settings, and here it's just going to load up the eShop, so give it some time. Alright, so once you see the eShop, here if we scroll down, it is going to show you primary console, this console. So if you want to game share on this console, what you can do is either deregister this, but if you deregister, you can read through this information here, so you can register another console on this primary account. And if you have all of your information or all of the games you want to share on this account, what we will do is just go back, we'll close the shop here, and you gotta create a new user. So here I have the user test. You can add a user, and then once you have added the user, you can go here, and after you have created it, you will click on link to a Nintendo account. And just like that, here it's gonna start preparing to link to the Nintendo account, and it's going to ask you to sign in, and you can use your previous account after you have deregistered it to transfer over or game share your data. So hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.